are going to start our next topic, that is noun case. What is a noun case? Noun case is another topic which comes under noun. This topic again comes under noun. The case of a noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. When we are writing a sentence, so the case of a noun tells us about the position of a noun in a sentence. A noun may be used as a subject or object of a verb or to show possession. So in a sentence, a noun can be used as a subject, object, or it can be used to show possession. So we say that the noun is in the nominative, objective or possessive case respectively. If it is used as a subject in a sentence, so at that time we can say it is in the nominative case. If it is used as an object, so it is objective case. If it is used to show possession, so at that time we can say it is in the possessive case. Let's firstly discuss about nominative case. A noun is said to be in the nominative case if it is the subject of a verb. If we are writing a sentence, at that time if noun is acting as a subject, so at that time we can say it is in the nominative case. When a noun is used as a subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. Subject, what is subject? Subject is a person or the thing who or which carries out the action of the verb in the sentence. Subject is basically a person who performs the action. So if a noun used as a subject in a sentence, it is said to be in the nominative case. Let's understand through few examples. For example, Ritu broke the glass. What is subject here, students? Ritu. So Ritu is said to be in the nominative case. Sonia bought a gold ring. Who bought a gold ring? Sonia. We are talking about Sonia here. So Sonia is the subject. So when a noun is used as a subject of a verb, so it is said to be the nominative case. So Sonia is here acting as a nominative case. Our next one is objective or accusative case. When a noun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be the objective or accusative case. In a sentence, if noun is acting as an object, so at that time we can say noun is in the objective case or accusative case. When a noun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be the objective or accusative case. What is object? Object is a person or the thing upon whom or upon which the action of the verb is carried out. So object is the person basically who receives the action. So if a noun is acting as an object, it is said to be in the objective case. Let's study through few examples. The first one is the man hits the door. The door is the object here. Janvi paints a pot. A pot is the object here, so the door and a pot is said to be the objective case in these sentences. To find out the object of a verb, we put what or whom after it. When we have to find what is the object in a sentence, so we put what or whom after it. So I am going to clear you how can you find out the object in this sentence. For example, the man hits the door. So the question arises, the man hits what? The answer comes the door. So door is the object in this sentence. Janvi paints a pot. The question arises, the Janvi paints what? A pot. So the door and a pot is object in these sentences. So the door is acting as an objective case and a pot is acting here as an objective case. Direct and indirect object. Okay, sometime when we are writing a sentence, it's very difficult to find out what is direct and indirect object in a sentence. I am going to clarify it you through with an example. The teacher taught maths to Diya. You can see here who taught math? The teacher. So the teacher is the one who performs the action. So subject, taught is a verb. Now maths and Diya. Okay, so how can you remember this thing? What is direct object in this sentence and what is indirect object? The noun naming the person is said to be the indirect object of the verb, and the noun that names the thing is said to be the direct object of the verb. If you have two objects and one is the name of a person, so at that time it is acting as a indirect object, and if the other one is the name of a thing, it is said to be the direct object of a verb. One more example, a kind man gave books to the child. What is subject? A kind man. Gave is a verb, and child is the noun naming the person. So it's an indirect object, and book is the noun naming the thing. So it's a direct object. And our third one is possessive case. What is a possessive case? A noun is said to be in possessive case if it denotes possession or ownership. If a noun shows the possession or ownership, at that time we can say it is in possessive case. For example, that is Meena's dress. So this dress belongs to Meena. So Meena is showing the possession, and we are adding here apostrophe s to show the possessive case. So that is Meena's dress. So this is possessive case here. Again, John's sister has been hospitalized. So John's sister, this is a possessive case in this sentence. So a noun is said to be in possessive case if it denotes possession or ownership. If a noun denotes possession or ownership, at that time we can say it is in the possessive case. I am again repeating, when a noun shows possession or indicates the owner of something, it is said to be in the possessive case. Okay, this much is in our topic. So today we studied about first nominative case, then objective case, then third one is our possessive case. Much.